Meta is sued over tracking iPhone users despite Apple's privacy features. Meta is facing a new proposed class action lawsuit that accuses it of tracking and collecting the personal data of iPhone users despite features and policies made by Apple, which are meant to stop that same type of tracking. Ooh, they get...
Carry on.
You just threw that over your shoulder.
No, it just fell.
How?
I wasn't grabbing it tightly.
What was it? More mint?
Yeah, it was a piece of chocolate.
It was chocolate mint?
Yeah.
And it just went over your shoulder.
It looked very dramatic, but...
It looked like you kind of like just tossed it over there. It was a lot for me to handle in the moment.
It did bounce a little.
Okay. I'm glad we got to the bottom
I wasn't
of that.
tossing it.
They didn't see that, did they? What camera were they on? Oh, man. Missing out on
I tried to eat a piece of chocolate and it bounced off of me.
So Meta, they're saying, hey, Meta, you still know too much about us. I'm clicking all the buttons on iOS to tell you to get away from me. Yeah. And you're not leaving me alone here. You still know too much about me. In August, it was revealed that Facebook and Instagram apps track all of a user's key taps, keyboard inputs, and more when using the in-app browser. When a user clicks on a link on Instagram, for example, Meta can monitor their interactions, text selections, and even text input, such as passwords and private credit card details within that website. This practice of tracking users is a direct violation of Apple's app tracking transparency policy, which requires apps to ask for user consent before tracking them across apps and websites owned by other companies. Filed on Wednesday in San Francisco federal court, a new lawsuit accuses Meta of this violation, as reported by Bloomberg. The proposed class action lawsuit accuses Meta of violating Apple's ATT framework and state and federal laws by collecting user data without user consent within its Facebook and Instagram apps. Yeah. Well, listen, and that's a settling outside of court, I would assume. I don't know. Maybe not. Update. A Meta spokesperson has provided MacRumors with the following statement. These allegations are without merit, and we will defend ourselves vigorously. We have designed our in-app browser to respect users' privacy choices, including how data may be used for ads. Okay. Well, maybe you do have a beef. Maybe you don't have a settle out of court. Maybe you have a brawl, a legal version of a brawl. But the privacy thing, people are, they're paying a lot more attention these days, aren't they? Mm-hmm. I think my laptop is charged up. Like, you ever had that thing where you put your hands on it and it kind of vibrates? There's like a buzz to it.
Buzz?
Yeah, you ever have that happen? Let me see if I unplug it. Fixed. Ooh, something's charged up. That's dangerous. Yeah, there it's back.
What do you mean?
Something going on, man. I'll tell you that right now. Is it gonna
blow up?
I don't know.
Well,
Magnets, MagSafe.
Don't keep it plugged in.
Careful. No, it's not to that extent. I'll take the risk.
Oh boy.
Just like we did earlier with the Hummer EV. Your palms were sweating. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Roller coaster. Oh my God. Don't even get me started. Don't get me started.